Okay, just a quick video to check written activity B from sentence stress. You have to stress these sentences and explain why you have stressed or why you hadn't stressed the words. So let's go to the first one. We have Alice, that is stressed because it is a proper noun. Is unstressed because it's the verb to be, and in this position it is unstressed. Is unstressed because it is an indefinite article. Naughty is stressed because it is an adjective. It belongs to the qualificatives. Girl is stressed because it is a noun. The second sentence. Those is stressed because it is a demonstrative pronoun. Where is the verb to be? Unstressed in this position. Digital, stressed because it is an adjective. It belongs to the qualificatives. Watches is stressed because it is a noun. Next sentence. The is unstressed because it's the definite article. Mall, stressed, it's a noun. Was is the verb to be. In this position, it is unstressed. Cheap, it's an adjective, stressed. And is a conjunction, unstressed. Enormous is an adjective, stressed. Next sentence. What in this position is started an exclamation. When one of the WH words starts a question or an exclamation, that is to say, it's functioning as an interrogative, it is stressed. A is unstressed because it is the indefinite article. Beautiful and red are both adjectives. Dress is a noun. Said is a main verb, but in this position it is unstressed because it precedes the subject and. And is stressed because it is a proper noun. Don't is a contracted negative form of the verb do, so in this case it is stressed. Get is a main verb, so it is stressed. Nervous, it's an adjective, stressed. If it's a linker, it's a subordinator, so it is unstressed. It's a subjective personal pronoun, unstressed. And disappears, it's a lexical verb or main verb, and it is stressed. Let's see this one. They is unstressed because it is a subjective personal pronoun. Are is stressed in this case because it has a special meaning. It means must. So this sentence means they must be found. To, it's a preposition, unstressed. Then you have be, it's a verb to be, unstressed in this position and with this meaning. And found is stressed as main verb. She, unstressed because it is a subjective personal pronoun. Didn't, stressed, contracted negative form. Think, stressed, main verb. That, in this case, is used as a linker, not a demonstrative, and so it is unstressed and in the weak form. I, unstressed because it is subjective personal pronoun. Was, the verb to be in this position, it is unstressed. Angry, stressed as an adjective, but conjunction, unstressed and in the weak form. I, unstressed, subjective personal pronoun, and was, in this case, is stressed because it is in final position. The, it is a definite article, so it is unstressed. Thing is stressed as a noun. Although it is a noun of wide meaning, in this case it's not qualified or specified, so as it is alone, yes, and not surrounded by any specification that will carry more meaning than thing, thing is stressed. Is stressed in this case because it precedes the conjunction that, which is implicit here. This could be said like this: the thing is that they are going to pay. They is unstressed because it is a personal subjective pronoun. Are unstressed, the verb to be, in this position and with this meaning is unstressed. Going in in the expression going to is always stressed. To, preposition, unstressed. Pay, main verb, stressed. In the next sentence, did, it starts a yes-no question. When any auxiliary starts a yes-no question, it is optionally stressed. This means that you can stress it or not at will. That's why the stress here is between brackets. If you put it, it's correct. If you don't put it, it's also correct. No problem. Then you have you, subjective personal pronoun, unstressed. Have here is the main verb, and so it is stressed. In this case, have a good flight. Have has the meaning of experience. That is to say, the subject enjoys or suffers something. Or it is unstressed because it is the indefinite article. Sorry. Then you have good, adjective, stressed, and flight, noun, stressed. In the next one, again, you have an auxiliary at the beginning. This is stressed or not at will, so it's optional. You may stress it or not. Both are correct. You, again, subjective personal pronoun. Had, main verb, principal verb, so it is stressed. In this case, had lunch, it is the meaning is consumption. The subject consumes, drinks, eats something, yes, in this case lunch. Lunch is stressed because it is a noun. Okay, let's see these ones. They, unstressed because it is a subjective personal pronoun. Haven't is stressed because it is a contracting negative form. Done is stressed because it is a principal verb. It is unstressed. In this case, it is an objective pronoun. Yes, unstressed. Many, this is a quantitative, it is stressed. And times is a noun, stressed. The next one, you have again a yes-no question starting with an auxiliary. So you may choose to stress it or not. Now, if you choose to stress it, you need to use the strong form of do. If you do not stress it, you will use the weak form of do. That is up to you. Then you have you, unstressed, because it is a subjective personal pronoun. Have to, yes. Have in this case indicates obligation. Always the verb have, yes, in the expression have to is stressed. To is unstressed because it is a preposition, and then you have go as main verb, stressed. In this case then, have the meaning is obligation. In the next sentence, you have she, unstressed, because it is a subjective personal pronoun. Has, stressed, because it is a principal verb. In this case, has 2 daughters. The meaning of has is possession. 2 is a number, a numerical, cardinal, so it is stressed. Daughters is a noun, so it is stressed as well. I, unstressed, it's a subjective personal pronoun. Might, this is an anomalous finite in the affirmative form. Yes, this is a modal, so it is unstressed. Do, this is principal verb, stressed, and obviously in the strong form. It, yes, this is a personal pronoun, unstressed. And tomorrow is an adverb, it is also stressed. Okay, that's all for the key.